put the hood jacks on my 2004 Accord. So I went on Amazon and was looking for it, and I ordered this. It says should fit 2004, 2003, or from 2003 on 2007 Accord hood jacks. It should fit. Okay, I ordered it, and they sent me this. Right, and when I was trying to install them, I saw that the car, it doesn't have the pin to actually attach that. Also, no screws come with this, and like there's no way I could install it. So I called him to return it, right? But before that, I was looking. Then I found this is actually I found this on eBay. Put the link in the description if you guys interested. Name is hood damper. See, from Accord 2003 and 2006. This is the coupe. I got a coupe 2004 coupe, right? So here's the difference from this one. This one actually comes with these adapters, so you can see. So this one says there's the fender, right? It's one side, and on this bracket here for the, you can see there, for the hood. It comes really nice marked with the L as the left fender. This one is right here in the back, so from the left. So this is one side. Also comes with a pretty nice and easy instruction to follow, right? Right, and the shocks even comes with a little bit of grease, like you start this right here. So as you can see, let's go here, this pin, and this go there, and that one. So that's why this from Amazon didn't work. Alright, go ahead and try to install. See how it goes. Okay, as you can see, I got one nicely done. This is actually it's a little bit confusing. What if you front of the car, it says this is the right side, but it's actually this is my left hand, so you might get a little bit confused. So whatever is right is gonna be into your left, because you're working on the front of the car. So this is the right side, but it's actually in my left hand, right? All right, you're gonna need the only two washers you're gonna need is 10mm ball, right? The 10. This will work with this this nut right here, and these two right there should be fine. Now you're gonna have to remove these clips right here. Okay, you can see it. Yeah, this little clip right here, you will not be available to put it in without taking them off. So you gotta take them off, and it's gonna be a little tricky to put it back on. You gotta put it back on because it's not. You don't put this back on. When you open the hood, the charge is gonna pop out. So this is really important. You gotta do it. All right, let me install the other side now. Okay, see how it works. You can see, nicely done. Left side, yep. It's the right side. So good. You have to when you tighten this, don't over tighten it, because if you tighten it too hard, when you move to the other side, you will find the space won't be even. So you'll be like, what the hell? So you're gonna have to like just tie it up a little bit, not too much here, and then when you put the other side and you actually can match the hole with screws, then you can proceed and tie it all up. Because now you tie it too much, you're gonna have to lose them again and start all over. Well, here you go, guys. Just fine.